Hello guys! Today, as you can see, I've got the Samsung Galaxy A57 and we're going to manage the storage efficiently on this device. We have actually two ways of doing so. The first is in the Files application, which is stored over here in the Samsung folder, and now the second thing is here in the settings. So I think I prefer this version of the settings. So at first go to the settings and now scroll down to the device care over here. Now tap storage. As you can see here, I've got 10% used. If you tap show more right here, you can see images, audio files, videos, documents, installation files, compressed files, app, system, other files, and recycle bin. How to manage this storage efficiently. So if you feel that you have here many things over here, you need to start with the biggest category. As you can see here, we've got system, so we can't do anything with system, but the next one is apps. So tap apps, and as you can see here, we've got the apps list. So if you want to delete and you want to get it clear, just delete the applications we don't need. For example, Genshin Impact, tap it, uninstall. So let's just think that we have done it. Apart from that, here, for example, you can go to images, delete the images by holding. Here you can select all, and here delete. Apart from that, you can move the files by tapping, etc. Here, as you can see, we have the recycle bin, and I do recommend to clean the recycle bin from time to time, or as you can see, leave it as it is, because here after the 30 days it will be deleted automatically. Here we've got the unused apps, and I do recommend to uninstall the unused apps also. Here we, if we go back, we can see that here we've got the memory, but this is about RAM. So let me go back again, and here to this folder I can use the files. As you can see, here we've got almost the same thing, but in a different way. I mean, shown in a different way to us, and we can do here the same things. Delete, of course without the apps. Delete, move, etc. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.